everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be making snow ice cream.
What do we need to make snow ice cream?
A big cup, and we're going to do outside in the real snow.
Real snow. And what else do we need?
This little thing.
A measuring cup.
Yep. Spoon.
Spoon.
Extract.
Vanilla extract.
And
Sweetened condensed milk.
And sprinkles.
And sprinkles. All right, let's go get the snow.
We're gonna be getting the snow now, and do not get yellow snow or eat it.
No. Okay, so we just got fresh snow, so let's fill up the bowl with snow. Yep, just pick it up and fill it up.
Make sure you don't get bad stuff in it.
Nope, don't get bad snow.
That's why when we go inside, we might get through it.
Yep, you don't want to get any dirty snow.
Yeah, that's why you have to check through it.
All right, that's good. Let's take it in. That's a nice bowl of snow.
Guys, now we're gonna pour this milk in here.
Yep, pour the milk into the measuring cup. That's thick.
Yeah, it is thick.
You can use your spoon if you want to scrape out any of the
Yeah, I know.
extra in
But
there.
I'll use this one. The one.
We got a nice big bowl of snow.
Yep. Okay.
Now we're going to add in a few drops of vanilla extract.
Yep.
Put it in your milk. Whoa!
You're not supposed to do that.
Let's dump some of that out into the can here.
Okay.
All right, now we got the vanilla extract in there, so now stir it up with your spoon.
Okay. I'll get my spoon from here. So it matches. And then mix it up real good.
Mix it all up.
And once you have it, it should look like this.
Nice color.
And then,
All right, you're gonna slowly pour the mixture over top of your snow.
yep, slowly, don't melt it. Guys, do not do as fast as I did.
All right. Now you're gonna take your big ice cream scoop or a big spoon if you want to use that, and you're gonna mix it up. Okay, and now you can put some sprinkles on it.
Yeah, it's the best part. And sprinkles make it happier, guys. Like, it's more colorful than just white.
Okay, well, give it a taste.
Now I'm gonna eat
Okay, give it a taste.
it. Okay.
Thumbs up. All right. Quick and easy snow cream. That looks good.
Yeah, it's very cool. Thanks for watching.
You've got snow. Try to make your own snow cream.